Hello, champions. How are you all? I hope you are preparing very well for your board examination. In this particular video, I will be covering output based questions related to the chapter array. If you are looking for this kind of content, you can watch till end. After completion of this video, I will make sure that whatever output based questions you ever get in your board examination, you will able to attend those questions correctly. Okay, so let's start. So the question is given here, as you can see, ARR is an array where it is having the elements 3, 4, 5. So whenever this question comes, first you need to create a table kind of structure where you will be including your numbers, and there you will be providing what? The indexes. So that whatever modification will be there in the question itself, you will able to do the same with your this particular box. Okay, whatever we have provided there. Now let's see. So this is the box of my array. Now here it says, let us now understand how is this working. Actually there is a single loop. Yes, there is a loop and it works till ar dot length by 2. Means it will what's the length of this array? The length of the array is 5 and it will work till 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means it is 2.5, but it will be 2. Why? Because this I or the loop is an integer type. As it is an integer type, it will be considering only the non-decimal part, which is 2. So we have understood that our I will be working till 2. Okay, it will start from 0 and it will reach till 2. Then what happens? Then there is a variable where our ARR of I is stored. So let's see how this execution occurs. Okay, you can write in this space. See, whenever you are doing this kind of program now, see, this is my temp, this is my ARR of I, and this is my ARR of whatever is given. You just try to write it down so that whenever we will be doing the dry run, it will be easy for us to execute and to see what all things are happening in this particular program. Okay, this is the thing. Now let's see. As per I can say this question, don't you find this question is a swapping based question? See, there is a temp and here something is stored, and in ARR of I, ARR dot length minus 1 minus I is stored, and in ARR then ARR dot length minus 1 minus I kind of a particular place temp is stored. So this is nothing but this is a code snippet for swapping. Yes or no? We have verified this. Yes, okay, this is a method of swapping. So something, so we can see so where is the swapping done? Swapping is done in between these two variables. Yes or no? Temp is just a temporary variable to conduct that swapping. Now let's see. Now let us do dry run. Okay, ARR of 0. First ARR of 0. So ARR of 0 means in temp what will be stored? ARR of 0 contains 1 will be stored. Then ARR of I will store what? Let's see. Our length is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Yes or no? See, here what is happening? Here we are storing ARR, then ARR of length. Length is 5 minus 1. Now I is what? I is 0 here. So what will happen? ARR of 4 means this ARR of 0 will contain ARR of 4 element, which is nothing but what? So here ARR of 0 will contain ARR of fourth element, which is nothing but 5. So 5 is stored here. Yes. Now now let's see. Now in ARR, now in this particular position, which is ARR of 4. Yes or no? Here I is, okay, let me write this as well. Here I is 1. When I is 0. When I is 0, in ARR of 0, what will be stored? Temp. The value of temp will be stored, which is 1. Can't you see? There is a swapping of the place of 0 with the place of 4 in this particular array. Yes, the same thing is gonna happen. So now when my I is 1, so ARR of 1 will be stored, which is nothing but 2 here. Now in the similar way, in ARR of what? In ARR of 1 type of position, what will happen? ARR, now my length is 5 minus 1 minus the value of I is 1. So ARR of 3. So what will happen? In ARR of 1, what is stored? ARR of 3's value, which is nothing but 4. Easy. Now what will happen? The similar index, because why am I writing directly this one? Because as you can see, both of this place the same thing is written. ARR dot length minus 1 minus I. Here as well ARR dot length minus 1 minus I. So we can, so directly that's why I'm writing ARR of 3. ARR of 3 is storing the value of temp, which is nothing but 2. Okay. Then what will happen? So it is reaching till, so it starts from 0 and it is reaching till less than 2. Yes or no? See, I is equal to 0, I is less than 2. Now what will happen? Then again I plus plus will be done. When again I plus plus will be done, the value of I will be 3. The value of I will be 2. And 2 is lesser than 2. The condition is false. So what will happen? My loop will end. Did you get what I just now said? Now the value will be 2 and the condition will be false. Now see, our loop works till less than 2 and now my value of I is 2. So here my loop will break. So when my loop will break, as I can see, now I am now creating a box where I will be writing the modified one. So in ARR of 0, 5 is stored. So let me write the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In ARR of 0, 5 is stored. In ARR of 4, 1 is stored. And then in ARR of 1, 4 is stored. And in ARR of 3, 2 is stored. And in ARR of 2 itself, the 3 is stored. See, this is the output. So as you can see, the for loop demands the printing of my modified array. So my modified array is this. So what will happen? This will be printed. 5 will be printed. As you can see, there is a double quote. As there is double quote, there will be space. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. So this is what our output will be in this particular question. Okay. If you want to only practice, if you're watching this video only to practice, you can do one thing. You can just pause whenever I'm showing the question. You can write down your answer and you can just forward this video and you can reach till here. Every time whenever I'm writing answer, I will be mentioning as ANS, so that easily whenever you are forwarding this video, you could reach to this and you will be understanding this. This is the answer. Okay. Have you understood this? Okay. Now the question number 2. What has it said? We will be dealing with same thing. I will be doing ARR. This is my original array. And I will be writing here 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay. And my index places 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is it doing? In sum is 0 is stored. Okay. So here it says now as I have told, I need to see from where to where my loop is working. So here it says the loop starts from I is equal to 1 and it is reaching till less than ARR length. So what will be the length of this array? This length of the array, whenever we are counting the length of the array, it starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will work from 1 till 5, less than 5. Yes or no? It will start from 1 and it will reach till 5. So less than 5. And every time the C, can you notice this? Every time it will be, first the value of I will be 1. Then the value of I will be 3. Then the value of I will be 5, where my loop will end. So it will work. So the execution of the program, you may also get this kind of question. How many times this loop executes? This loop has executed for 2 times, when the value of I was 1 and when the value of I was 3. Now what has happened over here? So here the addition is done. Okay. Now let's see when my value of I was 1. So sum is equal to sum plus ARR of 1, which is nothing but 20. And the value of sum is 0 here. So 0. Okay. Now the second thing has happened when my value of I is 1. That is ARR of 1. In ARR of 1, what is stored? ARR of I minus 1. ARR of I means what? ARR of 0 plus 1. Sorry, plus 1. Then what's the value of this? ARR of 0. ARR of 0 is containing 10. So 10 plus 1, 11. So we can see that ARR of 1 is now containing 11. Then again, when my I is equal to 3. So what happens? Again, the sum is done. Now my sum is containing number 20. So 20 plus ARR of 5, which is ARR of 3, which is nothing but 40. Okay. Now again, ARR of 3. ARR of 3 is containing ARR of I minus 1, which is nothing but what? 2. 2 plus 1. Okay. So here what happened? ARR of 3. Again, ARR of 2. ARR of 2 is nothing but 30. So 30 plus 1, which is nothing but 31. So my ARR of 3 is now containing 31. So what is it asking? It is asking you need to print the sum and also error of 3. So the sum is what? What's the value for the sum? See, 20 plus 40, which is 60. And there is a space, then error of 3. What's the value of error of 3? As you can see, 31. Yes or no? 31. So there is a space and 31. So this is the answer. Okay. You can check this out. If you are practicing, and you are checking, you can read still here and you can see the answer of this. The answer for this question is 30 and 61. As you can see. Then this is 2D array. Very interesting one. So as I have told, first thing you need to do, draw the 2D array. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And with this, what we need to consider? Also the index places. Okay, let us write the index places. This is the first thing, initial step you need to do whenever you are solving output based question for any kind of 2-dimensional array or 1-dimensional array. 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. And let's see. So again, so let's see what I have told. The second step is, let's see how many times that loop is executing. It is starting from 0 and it is ending till matrix.length. Okay. So how many rows are there? There are 3 rows. So it will reach till 3. So 0 to 2. Okay. Excluding 3. Now what is happening? Every time summation is done. Okay. Let us, so my I will be 0. Then my I will be 1. Then my I will be 2. Till this my loop will work. Okay, let's see what happens when my I is equal to 0. Sum is equal to, sum plus is equal to is given. So it will be at first 0 will be added. Then I need to see matrix. Let's see what has it carried out. Matrix I means what? I is 0 here. So 0. Then matrix length minus 1 minus I. Then what's the matrix length is? Whenever it is said matrix dot length, you need to see how many rows are there. How many rows are there? 3. So 3 minus 1, the value of I is what? 0 here. So it is nothing but 2. So I need to carry, down matrix 0, 2. Okay. Can I rub this? Yes, I can rub this and I can write this is 2. Okay. So what will happen? 0 plus matrix 0, 2. So where is this? The value is 3. So what will happen? It will contain 0 plus 3. Okay. Then next time sum is equal to, what will happen? It will contain 3. Then matrix of the value of I is, see, I'm just doing dry run. I'm doing nothing more than this. Then the length is what? 3 as I told. So 3 minus 1 minus the value of I is 1 here. So 1. So the 3 minus 2, which is 1 here. Yes or no? So what's the value for matrix 1, 1? So the value of sum is 3 plus 1, 1. 1, 1 means it is containing 5. So it will be 8. Okay. Now my value of I is 2 now. Now this sum is, now in this sum we are having 8 plus matrix. The same thing I will be doing. Matrix. So this is I. So this will be 2. And then here the length of the matrix, matrix dot length means number of rows, which is 3. 3 minus 1 minus, what is the value of I? Which is 2. So after calculation, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. So it will contain nothing but 2, 0. Okay. Now see, then 8 plus, where 2, 0. Okay, where is this 2, 0? It is containing 7. So 7. So the total will be 15. Did you get? So what is the sum is containing? The sum is containing the value as 15. So here 15 will be printed. Okay. If you're looking for answer, I'm writing here the answer. Just check it down. That did you get the answer as 15 or not? Are you understanding this? Okay, let's go. Then the number 4 question. You need to do the same thing. See here, as per I can see here what is done. There are 2 arrays. One array is a box which is containing 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But as I can see, there is another array which is storing the same elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Let's go. Then what has it done? In the place of BRR of 2, which is 0, 1, 2. This is the index place. Yes or no? Here it says instead of 2, which was earlier containing 3, it is now changed to 10. Okay. Then you need to print. See, the question is very easy. Now, as you can see in the loop, it will start from 0 and it will reach till what? Less than length. What is the length of the BRR? 1, 2, 3, 5. So it will reach from 0 to 4. So everything will be printed horizontally with a space. But as you can see, the value of a BRR of 2, which was earlier 3, is now changed to 10. So it will be 1, there is a space 2, then there is a space 10, then there is a space 4, then there is a space 5. See, easy? Very easy, very easy. Okay, we need to go a little faster now. Okay. Now let me do the same thing. ARR, as I said, first is you need to create a box. 10, 20, whatever values are given, you need to store them. 40. And then the second thing is write the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we need to see the loop. So loop is started from 0, I is equal to 0, I is equal to, see, okay, just a moment. I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2. So what is the length? The length is 4. So it will reach till 3. Yes or no? Because it as here it is mentioned, I is equal to 0, I is less than length, less than 4, which is 3. Now let's see what is happening over here. Here in ARR of 0. So you need to just write down whatever is given, just write down. Here there is a rectangular bracket and I plus 1. What is the value of I now? 0. So 0 plus 1. See, whatever is written, I'm just writing that down, that one. ARR dot length. What is the what is the value of ARR dot length? 4. So 4. Okay, I'm just keeping whatever is given. ARR of 1 is equal to ARR. So here what will happen? The value of I is, I have yet not calculated. Do not worry, I will be calculating at last. First, let me do this calculation. Then again, ARR of 2 is equal to ARR. Then the value of I is 2, 2 plus 1. See, whatever is given, I'm just writing down that one. Okay. Once you will cover this video, no, wherever you were having confusion in array, you will be able to cover every component of that particular concept of the array in this particular video. That's why I have created this video for you all. Okay, let's see. Now let's see what are we getting. So here it says, here you will be getting 1 by 4. Can you see me? When 1 modulus 4. When 1 modulus 4 is done, 1 modulus 4, then what is the remainder? 1. Okay, so here it says, so in ARR of 0, 1 will be stored. Now in ARR of 1, what is stored? 1 plus 1. So can you see? I'm solving this. This is nothing but 2. So I will be 4 divided by 2. 0 is 0, which is 2. So here it will be ARR of 2. Yes or no? Because modulus means remainder. That's why I'm taking this. Then the next value, when I will be solving, it will be 3. So 3 modulus 4. So 3 modulus 4. 0 is 0, the 3. Okay. So in the place of ARR of 2, ARR of 3 will be stored. Now the same thing is going to happen here. 3 plus 1, 4. So 4 modulus 4, 4 1 the 4, the 0. So in the place of ARR 3, ARR of 0 will be stored. Can you see what is happening right now here? Okay. So we can say that whenever see and let's see. So this is the modification that has been done by this particular code snippet. Now what happened here? The next, as I can see the my second loop here, it has the nothing, but it has printed all the modified values. Okay. So ARR of 0 will contain ARR of 1. So what is this ARR of 1? So first 20 will be printed. Then there will be a space. Then ARR of 1 will be contain ARR of 2, where my value is nothing but 30. Then my ARR of 2 will contain ARR of 3's value, which is nothing but 40. Then ARR of 3 will be contain the value as ARR of 0, which is nothing but 10. Can you see? Okay. So let me write. This is the answer. Very easy, easily can be done by you all. You just need to sit and do, but you shouldn't be confused or distracted whenever you get this kind of question. Now let us move to the next question. Okay, let's be a little faster. Okay. Okay, if you have watched my video till number 5, now you can just sit and check out that are you able to do the number 6 or not. Okay. If you're first time for this channel, you can just subscribe to my channel and you can just like this video if you have loved this video, and you can share with your friends this. Okay. Okay, let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then here, I think as per I can see, here it is started from 0 and it will reach till what? ARR dot length. The length is 3 here. The length is 4 here. So it will reach till 3. And as I can see, every time I will be start from 0, then 0 plus 2. It will be 2. And 2 plus 2, 4. But it will not go till 4. Only my value of I, when my value of I is 0. So it is executed how many times? It may ask you how many times this loop executes. Here it is 2 times. Now let's see what is happening. So in this sum, as I can see, sum plus is equal to ARR of I plus ARR of I plus 1. So what is ARR of I? Which is nothing but 5. 5 plus ARR of I plus 1 means 10. So here at first 15 is added. Then here it says if I is less than ar dot length minus 2. Now let's see. Now let me check the condition. If the condition is true, then something will happen over there. Now let's see if is my condition true or not. I will be writing the value. My value of I is 0. 0 is less than ar dot length minus 2. What's the length is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Is 0 less than 2? Yes, it's absolutely correct. Then it will store ARR of I plus 2. I plus 2 means what? I plus 2. I is 0. So I plus 2 means 2. So in the place of I plus 2, it will be storing the sum, which is nothing but this. Can you see? Now again I plus 2, which will be 2. Now again in the place of sum. Sum is nothing but it will 15 plus. Now from 15 plus, what is happening? Let's see. ARR of I. ARR of I is now ARR of 2. ARR of 2 plus ARR of 3. ARR of 2 is this. Can you see what I'm doing? See, ARR of 2. ARR of 3. Okay. This is only done. Okay. Then 15 plus. What is this ARR 2 containing now? Is it contain? What does it contain now? Okay. ARR of it is containing 15 plus ARR of 3, which is nothing but 20. So the total sum is what? 50. Okay, let us check this out. I is equal to 2, sum plus, so 15 was added, and if 0 is less than 2, ARR of 2 will contain sum. So at first it was, so the sum was 15, so at 0 and 1 was taken, then 15. Then I is equal to 2, then the sum was 15 plus ARR of 2, which is nothing but 15, plus ARR of 3, which is nothing but 30. So 30, so sorry, 20. So 20, then 15 plus 15, 30, 30 plus 20, 50. Okay, now let's see. If I means what? I means now the value of I is 2. Is I less than, if is 2 less than, length is 4. So 4 minus 2, 2. Is 2 less than 2? No, this is incorrect. So what will happen? So this particular statement will not execute. Now it is asking, what is the value of AR2? Can you say me? What's the value of AR2 now? 15. Okay, so 15 is the answer. Okay, let's go. This is number 7. As I told, this is from 2D array. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7, 8, 9. Okay. This. Then you need to do the same thing. Okay. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2. Then this is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2. Then this is 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. I have only created a table for this particular question. Now I want you all to solve this particular question and write down in the comment section. Okay. Comment section. Let me see. And whenever you will be writing the answer, I will be also putting the correct answer to this particular question after I will be observing some of the comments. Okay. Then let's go. Okay. Let me now solve the number 8. Okay. Number 8. Okay. Let me erase this here. This will be int I is equal to 0. I is less than ARR dot length. Then I plus plus. Okay. Let's see. Let's go. Let me solve this. Why have I taken 2 here? Because this is a very important question. Do remember this question, guys. Mark this down and also note down in your notebook when you have this kind of question. Can you see? ARR I plus plus, then ARR I minus minus. So what happens whenever you are finding this kind of statement? What happens? This will be ARR of I will be something 1 or something 0 or something. Suppose let me take ARR of 0. Then again plus plus will be done. Then what happens? What's the meaning of this particular statement? In ARR of 0, whatever value you were having, that will be incremented by 1. That will be incremented by 1. And whenever you are having such like ARR of I, suppose here it is ARR of 1. Minus minus. When this executes, what happened? Whatever value is stored in this particular place, which is ARR of 1 now. Which is ARR of 1. Whatever value you are having in this particular index, the value will be decremented by 1 and will be modified in the array itself. Not only decrement by 1 and modifies in the place, in the given index, I can say, given index. Here also the same thing. Suppose your error of 0 plus plus. So here what happened? The error of 0, in the place of 0, whatever value is stored, it is incremented by 1. And the same thing is, you will also find the modification, whatever modification you have done. Here the modification is +1. The modification is reflected in the index as well. The modification is reflected in the specified index. It's a very important question. In the specified place or index. Let me write index. Okay, did you get me? Now after writing this, let me solve how this will execute. You just need to see, and you need to also share with your friends. If they find array difficult, you can set this question. This is a very important question, competency based label. Okay, little bit logical and also interesting. Here I will be doing the same thing. Okay, let me use a different pen. Okay, you must be bored by observing this same pen. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, as I do always, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, my index places. Then what is done here? The loop starts from 0 and it will reach till length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 less than 5. So it will be 4. It has started from 0 to 4. Now ARR of I modulus 4 is equal to 0. Now you need to just check out. See, it's very easy, no? It's very easy. See, if ARR of I will modulus 4 will be, if it is divisible with 4, then the value will be incremented by 1, I plus plus. Else, if this is not, if this is not possible, if the condition is not true, what I'm saying, not possible, if the condition is false, then what will happen? ARR of I minus minus. So whatever value you have given, that will be decreased. Now let me see what all values have we taken. 2 is 2 divisible is completely divisible with completely divisible with 4? No. Is 4 completely divisible with 4? Yes. It's 6 completely divisible with 4? No. Is 8 completely divisible with 4? Yes. Is 10 completely divisible with 4? No. So what will happen? 2 times the value will be decreased. In these 2 places, what will happen? The value will be decreased. Yes or no? This and this. In this 2 particular place, what will happen? As minus minus is mentioned, this is nothing but semicolon here. Don't be confused. My value will be decreased, and this in these 3 places. In these 3 places, my value will be decreased, and wherever I have given a tick, means that is completely divisible. So when it is completely divisible, what happens? ARR I plus plus, what happens? The value is incremented. So let me directly draw my new array, because here I have understood what is happening there. So as I have completely explained here, 0. So let me take 0, 0, 0. I think here also you will be getting your answer. 0 is 2. Okay, sorry. 2 is, so 2 wrong is there. So let me write frame here as well. This is for my wrong. Okay, this when my condition is wrong, and this when my condition is right. So wrong ones means decrease. The value is decreased by 1. Then the second right one, so it is incremented by 1. Then wrong, then it is decremented by 1. Then right, then it is incremented by 1. Then wrong, then it is decremented by 1. Could you see? Your array is modified in this particular way. So now when you will be printing your array, this is nothing but ARR of I, okay, plus space. So what will happen? 1 will be printed, 5, then 9, and 9. This is the output to this particular question. Yes, was it interesting? Yes, it was very interesting. Now I have also mentioned some of the questions. There are 3 questions that you will find after this. This is question number 9. You can just take a screenshot and you should try of your own and mention your output in the comment section. Okay, I will be mentioning the answer of this. Question number 9. Have you taken a screenshot? Now let me show you the number 10. Take a screenshot, solve this, and write in the comment section. Okay, have you taken a screenshot? Now the number 11. Okay, these are the 3. Okay, let me rectify this. This is nothing but for, if you want to check yourself, because once you will be doing this kind of question, whatever programming question also you will get that is based on array, you will be very easily able to write in your examination. Okay, because you are this depth understood your questions. Okay, so practicing your output based question is helping students in the programming also, because whatever logic that has been given, we only need to understand the logic whatever examiner is building in that particular question. Once we understand the logic, then the things are fine. So once you will do output based question like this, whatever I am releasing, you will be very much perfect in the chapter array, both in single dimensional and in double dimensional. Okay, this is number 11. Okay. Okay, have you taken this screenshot? You need to write, don't forget, and write this. If you watched till last, then you need to write down the answer of this particular number 11 question. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will be uploading more videos before the examinations. You shouldn't forget to watch them. And I have released so many question based videos. Some are related to the competency based, some are related to multiple choice based questions. I will be highlighting the playlist. Okay, you need to just go and just watch out every videos before the examination. Okay, thank you so much for watching this. All the very best for your preparation and for your board examination. Thank you.